Hello guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is the first video for beginners who want to learn how to make a beautiful and responsive website using HTML. In some cases, you are searching on a web how to create website. I will let you know how you can create complete front end of website by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript from beginner to advanced level. There are tons of websites available over the internet. Don't worry. I will cover all the topics in detail. My job is to make HTML easier for you. I will code in front of you and will solve all of your problems. Don't hesitate to follow this course along with me. So don't be confused, don't lose your interest, because your interest motivates me to make more videos for you in longer run. So let's start coding along with me. I will share code with you as well. Will assign you tasks to improve your coding skills. That's that you won't miss it. Let's meet in our journey.